I don't know, guys. Things are starting to concern me. Starting to concern me in the markets, not just in real estate, but the stock markets, the economy, and everything in whole. Things are getting very, very sketchy. Now, this video is for anybody who's interested, who wonders, who's been learning and educating themselves on the economy in general ever since the pandemic has hit. Guys, right now we're hearing that Janet Yellen says that she has to moderately raise interest rates, not saying by 1%, 2%, just saying moderately has to raise interest rates, and you are having a massive sell-off happening in the stock market. Aside from everybody being concerned from inflation fears, everybody's wondering, is inflation going to hit? Some say it's already here, others say that it's to come. Now, this market that we're in, not just the stock market, but also the housing market being so expensive, so high, so demandable, so many people are getting into it because everybody's wanting the house before the rates go back up, or everybody's wanting the house thinking that the prices are going to keep going up, is creating insane amounts of fear and insane amounts of uncertainty. Let me explain. Right now, what we are seeing is scary money, crazy money, free money, easy money. All these things that I just shared with you is what we are seeing in this market. We're seeing someone who has no experience making thousands of dollars because they made a trade and the market was just going up. So all their friends also jumped in to follow them and are now investing. We're seeing that house prices, you buy something today and then 3-4 months later it's up 15% in appreciation. We're seeing that being what? Basically free money. We're seeing that the stimulus packages are dropping trillions of dollars from helicopters on people, giving them what? Free money. We're seeing people not having to pay their rent. We're seeing people not having to pay the banks. We're seeing everybody having that excuse of the pandemic and you don't even have to make your car payments. Right now, everything is so shaky, so scary, and so uncertain because that's what the economy has been giving and showing ever since this pandemic has started. In the stock market, we're seeing companies overvalued, overpriced based off of future expectations with zero results to show in Q1, Q2, at least for 2021, and even 2020, it's been a disaster. Specifically, how are you seeing stock prices going up when you're filing billions of dollars in losses in every single quarter? Makes no sense. Now you're seeing that Janet Yellen is saying that we might have to moderately raise interest rates, causing a sell-off, causing panic, causing fears. This is showing that there is absolutely zero confidence in the markets right now in any news. Anything scary can make people completely dish out any investments that they've made or that they plan to make. I don't know what to tell you other than this market is sketchy. I don't feel comfortable in it. I don't feel safe in it. And I feel like something big and bad is to come near in the near future. Now, I don't know what the catalyst is going to be, but I do know one thing. What's happening right now is not sustainable, and what we're seeing going on is just stupid money floating around, which I have no reason to think that this is going to last longer than what it's already lasted. As of right now, if you are anybody who is interested in buying a house, investing in the stock market, playing with the cash that you have in any way whatsoever, please be safe and be careful. I don't know what's going on, but I do know one thing, that if any headline news shows any uncertainty when it comes to interest rates or inflation or the top tier governments or the president or anything gets released and it's negative, you're going to see a lot of things going downhill. We've been having a ton of upside. We've been seeing the markets just going up and up and up, and they'll pull back a little bit, but they'll continue to go up. And it's been happening based off of speculation, off of a lot of rookies jumping in, and based off of a lot of people scared that this is the bottom and it's just going to keep going up. But wait until some bad news hits the market and see how that's going to react. Already we're seeing with Janet Yellen just basically saying we have to moderately raise rates, and everyone is fearing and panicking based off of that statement. Imagine what's going to happen when a serious statement comes out and actual action is taken. Anyways, guys, that's what I wanted to share with you in this video. I'm just reading these articles, reading the chaos that's going around, seeing the panicking and the fearing happening, and also me being in the real estate world, seeing how my clients react, how they plan to do investments, what they're also reacting based off of the news. And it's nothing but fear, nothing but zero confidence in this market. And having zero confidence, any word or any opinion or any advice can shift your investment completely. And that's what we're seeing right now. So everybody, if you're planning to invest in any aspect in the markets, please be careful, be safe. And most importantly, if you guys got any value, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm out.